The full market sessions indicator is available for various platforms on the Tradingfinder website. From this section, you can access this indicator on the TradingView website. Learn how the indicator works and use it. Find the indicator on TradingView and apply it to the chart. Add to favorites by enabling Add to Favorites. For Category C, we search for the indicator's name in the Indicator section on TradingView and select it to apply it to the chart. To make it quicker and easier for Category C, you can add this indicator to your favorites by enabling the Add to Favorites option. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it will start drawing colored boxes. Add indicator to favorites. Draw session boxes. Overview. Sessions. Asia, Sydney, Tokyo, Shanghai, Europe, London, New York. Adjust settings. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts drawing colored boxes. These represent our trading sessions. Session overviews to traders. A time panel shows the different sessions: Asia, Sydney, Tokyo, Shanghai, Europe, London, and New York. Next, see the DST, Daylight Saving Time, status shown. Observe the opening and closing times of each session and session status. Settings under Inputs offer options for traders. Adjust the market mode with 4 options: Forex, Stock, User Custom, and TFLab Session. The default setting is Forex. Select Stock to display stock sessions. Reset to default. You can see the DST status here, showing the current status of daylight saving time for you. In the next section, you can see the opening and closing times of each session for traders. In the Settings section under Inputs, there are trader options. In the first part, you can choose from 4 market modes: Forex, Stock, User Custom, and TFLab Session. The default setting is Forex. The next section is about time zone mode with 3 choices: UTC, Session Local Time, and Your Time Zone. The default is set to UTC. There are 4 modes available for traders: Forex, Stock, User Custom, and TFLab Session, with Forex set as the default. For example, if I select Stock here, it will display all 3 sessions based on stock trading. I'll set it back to the default. The next section refers to the time zone mode, where you can choose from 3 options: UTC, Session Local Time, and Your Time Zone. The default setting is UTC. Select UTC or Custom Time Zone. Enable or disable DST display. Adjust Asia session settings. Set time zones. Manage Asia, Sydney, Tokyo, Shanghai sessions times. You can enable or disable the display of opening and closing times based on DST, which is shown to you by default. In the following sections, you can enable or disable the Asia session, and you can change the color for the opening and closing times of the Asia session. You can change the opening and closing times of the Sydney session and choose its color. You can also decide whether to display or hide the Sydney session. For the Tokyo session, you can select its opening and closing times along with its color. You can choose the Shanghai session to display its opening and closing times and color as well. Enable or disable Europe, London sessions, choose times and colors, toggle NISE display and color, control table info display, active shows table, adjust text size, small, normal. Select opening and closing times, colors, and toggle the New York Stock Exchange display. Choose its color and toggle table information. When selected, the table is hidden. When active, it's shown. Adjust text size with small and normal options. Change table position from the default top right to other placements. We've reached the end of this tutorial. Share your comments and suggestions below. It does not display the table to traders, and when this option is enabled, the table is displayed. And in the last section, you can adjust the text size. In this section, which is in 2 modes, small and normal, you can change its size, and in the next section you can also change the position of the table, which is set by default to the top right of the chart. You can adjust it to different positions and placements. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments section.